cold morning where everything's flooded and wet. Right, oh my god, I must be a nutter. Right, so I've done me ASA Abloy training. Not yesterday, day before. Came back. Yeah, but now I'm going to the Locksmith Expo. Not to be confused with the M&A one. They're totally different exhibitions in totally different places and totally different sizes. The Lockexpo used to be, in its heyday, it was friggin' amazing. Unfortunately, it seems to whittle down a little smaller and smaller. It would be nice if they made a comeback. It used to be one of my favourite ones, and the reason for it, it seemed to have been more geared up to mobile locksmiths as opposed to the big corporate ones, which is what I liked. It was a very one-to-one, a very one-to-one show. It was nice how it used to be when it used to be in the old university. Since it moved this bit, but listen, I'm going there to support them, and trying to do the right thing. The guy originally did it all, Mick Friend, really nice guy. Unfortunately, he passed away, so this is going to be the first show without him. So it's really, I think it's really important for locksmiths who knew him, met him, to attend really this show in memory of him, because he did do a lot for the locksmith community. So yeah, up and onwards. I'll get some footage. Oh, I've still got like bed eyes. Bizzles in the snow. Yeah, I'll get some footage when I'm in there. So you guys who don't go to these events can have a look, see what it's like. But it is a lot smaller than the M&A one. But yeah, it will still be good because the guys are up there, are great fun, a good laugh. And yeah, catch you all later. Alright, finally got here. Long old drive. Oh, make sure. Up the van. Right. Here we go. This is where it is. God, I'm knackered. Right, okay, I'll see you in there.
Go and put them in the car.
There we go.
I'll go down.
Tribute to Mick. Whistle vessel. We got 8-ball engineering.
If you've got good ideas and you can draw it,
And we got
you know what you're doing.
Miss Betty. All the ALS tools.
And myself.
Sure.